Welcome to Stone Canyon in Mesa, Arizona, a beautiful, established community in the heart of Northeast Mesa. Known for its quiet, tree-lined streets, mountain views, and proximity to top-rated schools, golf, and outdoor recreation, this is one of those neighborhoods people move to Mesa for. And right here in the middle of it all sits our newest listing at 5758 East Yeager Street. This 4-bedroom, 2-bath home offers just under 2,000 square feet of light-filled living space with an open floor plan, vaulted ceilings, designed for everyday comfort. Step outside to your own backyard retreat, complete with a sparkling pool, covered patio, and room to relax, entertain, and soak in that Arizona sunshine. You'll love just being minutes from Alta Mesa Golf Club, Red Mountain Park, and easy access to shopping, dining, and the 60 and 202 freeways. If you've been searching for a home that captures the true Arizona lifestyle, friendly, relaxed, and perfectly located, this is the one you'll want to call home. I'm Chrystal Ryan with the Ryan Group at Real Brokerage. Let's make Alta Mesa your next move.